You are from Canada, right?
Yeah.
How old are you?
I am 28.
And how long actually have been working together?
We've been working together, I think, a little over a year now.
Do you find it quite challenging sometimes? Like the journey, the process?
Yeah, it's definitely a process. But anytime I start to feel like discouraged, I look at like where I've come from as like, okay, my progress may not be the fastest, but I have progress. So
apart from, the technical improvement, do you feel like that singing affects your life as well, like your everyday life, or did you grow as a person?
yes, definitely. We've talked about this before, but the singing lessons helped me work through my eating disorder that I was struggling with when we first started, because sort of like one of the things with an eating disorder is you have to be so mentally disconnected from your body and the physical sensations in order to do that to yourself. And with singing, it really helped me to get back in my body and be motivated to feel the sensations in my body. So I was seeing a therapist outside of our lessons as well. So the two things actually lined up really well. My therapist would say, okay, you need to feel the sensations in your body. And I'd go to my lessons and it's like, oh yeah, feeling sensations in my body. I have to breathe deeply, breathe into the diaphragm, breathe into the stomach, and it's okay and not scary. So the two things really helped me side by side.
Mm-hmm.
Every time I look inside your eyes, I wanna give a damn about my reputation. You're living in the past, it's a new generation. A girl can do what she wants to do, and that's what I'm gonna do. And I don't give a damn about a bad reputation. Oh no. Wanna give a damn about my reputation. Oh no, not me. Why no? Not me, not me, not me.
Nice.